You guys, so I got this robot vacuum that vacuums and washes the floor. I'm gonna open it up, show you everything that's inside. We're gonna open it together. I'm so excited. Let's see. Nice. Has a QR code and some instructions on here. More instructions here. I think this is just a replacement where we'll see the mop pad. Okay. Oh, look at that. So nicely packaged. You see that? So nice. Let's see. So we got the actual, oh gosh, actual vacuum. There's some heavy duty stuff here. I'm gonna open that. There's this. Look how nice that is. So nice. Okay. Then we got this. This is the home station for it. So nice. I got a garbage bag in there. Okay. Let's see.
What's that for?
Replacement, what are those things called? Those things. And bags. That's it. That's all. Let's turn it on. I think I'll do a separate video of that, of how it works. But I'm so excited to use it. I'm going to figure out how to use it. Okay, we got our robot ready to go. The power station's right there. I guess I should move the box. We're gonna press on. So press on and then it starts to go. I put some water in, very easy, into the compartment in the back. And now it's gonna start. Let's see. So figured out that it needs to move. There we go. It goes over the rug, no problem. There's a tiny little toy. Picked it up. Let's see what else it does. So it has an app control as well. So you can download the app and control it from the app, or there's those two buttons on top, which is the power and just the home button. And power on to make it go. I'm gonna get it away from there. Or press home button for it to keep going. You guys get it, you'll not regret it. Such a great robot vacuum. It vacuums and mops, has app control, very great quality, great material that it's made out of. Has the whole docking station, which is, it's pretty cool. I've had one without a docking station and I feel like I prefer that. So this is amazing. You guys get it, you'll not regret it.